Welcome back to the channel, y'all. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys the Michelina's fettuccine Alfredo broccoli and chicken dinner. Alright, that's what it looks like. I hope you guys can see that pretty good. Okay, it's mostly now from what I'm seeing from this dinner, mostly noodles. You want all them freaking noodles. It's got like little blocks of chicken in here. It's all like $1, either $1.18 at Walmart. I think it was $1 though. That's what it look like. Creamy. See the cheese in here. Okay, so block chicken. Let's see what it tastes like. Let's get a little bit of piece of the block of chicken, man. There's little blocks of chicken in here like this. White chicken meat, that's what you get. So, let's hit this chicken and see what it working with. Here we go. Oh, not bad. It's pretty good. Let's see what it all tastes like. With the noodles and everything. The broccoli. Got little pieces of noodles up in here. So, let's see what they're working with. Here we go. That's pretty good. Now this one I actually said need a little bit more meat in it. And here we go again. The reason I say that because mainly you're getting a bunch of noodles and not much meat. Getting a little bit of broccoli. If you want a whole lot of noodles, then you probably like this dinner. Because if you look, all you got is a bunch of noodles. See here? With very little meat. Tastes alright, but need more meat. So, y'all know I tell it like it is, man. I don't hold nothing back. So, that being said, on a scale of 1 through 5, I'm giving it a 3. The taste is kind of bland. Doesn't have that much meat. Got nothing but a bunch of noodles. So it is good though. But if you just want a lot of noodles, then go for it. For the fettuccine Alfredo, broccoli, and chicken, it is very good, but I'm giving it a 3 because this particular one didn't have much meat in it. So hit that subscribe button, y'all. That's my ruler. I'm out. Peace.